mama kwa baby ever second change my day so iPhone 4 release update be about for iOS 15.4 na sa iOS 15.4 we buy no because of the feature be say say no share nose mask na on the face ID ni ya ultimi unlock it. Now unfortunately na phones no enye iPhones na face ID ni wom no ni nyina na support sa feature no iPhone X and support iPhone 11 Pro Max and support XS Max basa if iPhone 12 e show no and support iPhone 12 ko si iPhone 13 Pro Max no and support and no update ko iOS 15.4 now ultimi the face ID ni show na ultimi setup na ultimi dey iOS 15.4 yi omo update here no then the parody complaining because now me share iPhone for 4 means me journey iPhone for 4 is the now I'm seeing no mama for complaints and whatever adeba kwa me me catch what use phone bia so who say o check your phone no the update aba me updating wo ha the kind ho issues I wom complaints amount for dey ba what I say o kind ho complaints na wo kwa be fast why then treating because every wo ha every one no complaining say our update here no the phone no use one hiti the phone eduma na so but omo e dem come the update be ba no omo dey fix it anytime you update ba me mpre ho update o update here na issue wa update ni ma ubenya sa issue nti say o kan ho baby answer and na okoto phone so a okoto phone cra phone aba mo na okota the kan ho reviews come can say techno phone be Techno Spark I think 4.3 issue na wo me say battery no camera no we be about say camera has stopped responding as BBC na issue general problem e wo sa issue na board problem nti se o koto no nanka o kan ho ayi nka bo mu se wo sa issue no nti ni fen bi e koto phone bi e kan ho issue ana se wo ba obetimi abisa wo comment you about phones with me leave to comments no question no obi be answer na say me hu a me answer but issue ba ko pa man for face o mo update ko iOS 15.4 ne say only ko 15.4 almost say battery need draining battery need draining fast na lucky ni say iPhone 4 Apple fankasa a confirm me say iOS 15.4 no battery need draining into omo the iOS 15.41 into 15.41 no release note na e ka ho no e ka update no ho no Apple for state wo say iPhone the battery ni betimi adreni nti iPhone 4 like Apple 4 no e aware of that issue no nti me sign kan forum bi na man for e ka say omo update ko 15.441 no affect that issue no nti say o face that problem na update your phone fa ko 15.41 abe fix it sa issue no you leave comment na fa to ase man hu say still how fit sa issue na yetimi a share ideas na suggestion na ba na yetimi a fix we issue na the amount you dey pass a video we be boa ama wo update phone bia obo hu normal bia say wo ya ansa na why dey wo update your phone no follow tech in tree Facebook YouTube ya subscribe channel the videos be brave bro the videos are we here o Ghana ha bia o ya de bia unim ade na o ye